Today we'll be demonstrating the installation of an EcoHitch part number X5008s on a Volvo EX30, which features a 100% concealed cross tube and stainless steel receiver, as well as the highest weight ratings in the market, with 5,000 pounds towing and 550 pounds of tongue weight capacity, making it the best option for e-bikes and more. To start, open the rear hatch and twist the rubber pads counterclockwise to remove. Then, remove the torque screws inside of the wheel well. Next, remove the mud flaps and screws underneath to allow the wheel well inner trim to pop out. And remove the screws under the bumper across the bottom of the vehicle. Temporarily unstick the weather seal from the lower portion of the hatch and move out of the way. Starting from the wheel wells, unclip the bumper working towards the center until it is fully disconnected. Unplug the two harnesses inside the passenger side of the bumper and set the bumper aside. Next, you'll be removing the 6 nuts securing the rear crossmember and set aside. The rear crossmember will not be reinstalled. Then install your EcoHitch over the studs in place of the rear crossmember. With the hitch centered, secure the hitch with the factory nuts. Insert the coiled end of a 1/2-inch bolt fisher into the rear side frame hole, through the support plate, and out the back of the frame, though the side plate. Thread a 1/2-inch carriage bolt on the fisher and pull it back through so the threads hang out of the frame. Carefully remove the bolt fisher and secure the bolt with a 1/2-inch flat washer, split lock washer, and a hex nut. Repeat this process on the front hole as well as on the other side of the vehicle. With all the hardware in place, torque the factory stud nuts to 45 foot-pounds. Torque all 1/2-inch hardware to 64 foot-pounds. Finally, cut the 8-inch by 4-inch receiver access hole in the bumper, centered on the license plate holder, using a reciprocating body saw or other method. Install the XA4000 license plate flip kit over the receiver access hole, using the supplied 1/4-inch button head screws to secure the flip kit. Reinstall the bumper and trim. Check taillights for function. The installation of your EcoHitch is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torquelot's products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.